Hey guys, this is part 2 of the $7,000 mods upgrade. It's the day we've all been waiting for because when I get it down there, Kyle at Flat 4 is going to put on the NVIDIA R400 exhaust on this 21 STI Spec R, and I cannot wait to hear the sound. Hopefully we get some noises today, so let's get in the car now. Make sure you join with me and let's see how this all unravels and how sick this exhaust sounds. Alright, I've just arrived here at Flat 4. Let's get out, let's go see Kyle and see what's going on. While we are waiting for Darren to get the workshop ready so I can roll on in, let's just recap what we did in part 1, which was the GFB blow-off valve. We had the Cobb alternator cover, the carbon fiber one here installed, which looks absolutely sick. Plus the Cobb, this is the radiator shroud, that's right, that was done. And that was pretty much it. And today's going to be all the major parts done: exhaust, the cold air induction, the oil separator, the fuel pump, I think another shroud, a turbo shroud, a whole bunch of things. So we're going to unbox all those really soon. You can see exactly how they come packed and what it's like, what the excitement is like. I think the big one is going to be though the exhaust coming out all nice and chrome. That's going to be the exciting one. Hey Kyle, how's it going? It's the big day, let's do this. Expensive little thing, isn't it? Believe it. It comes with a license plate holder.